Okay, the last video got cut off because of ran out of memory. So this video here is number 20 from the worksheet. This one right here. I want to do this one because it shows just about every possibility from those lessons 55, 56, 57, 58, and this one 59. So the steps for this one, we're trying to figure out what x is, what I can put in for x to make this side equal this side. So the first step, you can see here the parentheses. So we first got to do that distributive. So here I got to go negative 5 times 1. So therefore negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. And then negative 5 times negative 5x. So negative 5 times negative 5 is going to be a positive 25 times x. Plus, now I got to do this here. I got to do the distributive for this set, this parentheses. So I got 5 times negative 8x. So 5 times 8 is negative 40x. Negative 8 times 5. And then 5 times a negative 2 is going to be negative 10. And that leaves negative 4x, negative 8x. Okay, now just like that was lesson 57, the distributive. So the next one, combining like terms, I could combine the negative 5 and the 10, negative 10, which will give me negative 15. And then I can combine the 25 and the negative 40, which would give me a negative 15x. So here, the 25x minus the 40x will be negative 15x. And then negative 5 and the negative 10, that will give me negative 15. Equals, so then I can combine these. So negative 4x minus 8x, that'll be 8, 9, 10, 12. That'll be negative 12x. So now I want to get all the x's on one side, the missing variable. I got x on this side and x on this side. So I'm going to move the 15 over. If I move the 12x, then with nothing on the right hand side. So I'm going to do the opposite of subtracting is adding. 15x, so I got to do the same over here, plus 15x. So that's minus 15x plus 15x, that's 0, goes away. And I'm left with negative 15 equals negative 12x plus 15x, that'll be 3x. Now the last, this, a lot of people will 3 times 5, but let's stay with the system here. If the opposite of multiplying, 3 times something equals negative 15, so divide by 3, which gives me 1x, or x. And if I go negative 15, divide by 3 will give me negative 5. Made it. Okay. So if I put negative 5 in for all these x's, end up with this side will equal this side here. Okay, so that's the last example. The next video will just be the answers to the worksheets, how I worked them out.